Could you please share your experience before the workshop?
Before workshop, I don't even know about what is an IT sector, what are the roles playing behind the IT.
How you are feeling after the workshop? Could you please explain about your experience?
Now I have, after workshop, I have gained much knowledge about IT sector. What are the roles and what is the main difference is there in the, and what are the environments and what are the applications. I have gained much knowledge. From this, I have gained more confidence in
Which type of knowledge are you gained from this workshop?
about IT sector. It means it is very helpful for interviews. Now I can attend any interview with much confidence.
Yeah. How you are experienced with the Techqflow software team? How you are there? How can you help?
The staff has very friendly with us. They provided very comfortable with us.
Okay. Yes. Could you please share your experience with your friends?
I recommend you people to attend this type of skills, this type of means. They provide much knowledge. They will treat us like a friends. They will treat us like very friendly nature.
Yeah. Could you please give your rating for all?
5 ratings.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.